Are you aware that there are all kinds of ways to save money for an emergency fund? Yeah, there is. All you have to do is join me in this 52-week savings challenge where we're taking small amounts of money every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it. It adds up over time. And that's all you have to do is just join me. I have videos and I have 7 savings challenges that can help you. And this one is a very simple, very easy way to help you get an emergency fund started and keep it going. So stay tuned and watch this video. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy if you have money to tap into when an emergency comes. So if you don't have an emergency fund, this is just a video for you. And if you need some encouraging and motivation, this is just a video for you because I've created these videos to encourage and motivate someone to start saving money for an emergency fund if they're not, and to keep it going if they are. Yeah. And I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 4, which I do on Thursdays. Even though today is Friday, I'm running behind. I missed Wednesdays, and I was going to do that one, and then do this one, and then try to do Fridays. But then when I looked at Wednesdays, it's almost completed. So I just decided I'm going to wait till next week to do that one. I think it only has to put maybe like $30 more in Wednesdays and it will be completed. So I just decided I'll wait till next week to add to that one. So then I thought, well, okay, I'll do Thursdays. So yeah, here I am doing Thursdays, but this is to show you all that, you know, sometimes things happen and you can't always add to them. Okay, if you can't, that's fine. Just make sure the next time or the next week you can add to it. And for this savings challenge, you're going to need something like this, some kind of container. And I call this my money bag savings challenge. And actually, I Googled this and I went on eBay and I put in a search. I think it was U.S. Mint U.S. Mint canvas bag for quarters. And one of these came up just like this one, and it was, how much was it? $12. Yeah, somebody had one for $12. They had some other ones that were maybe a little more, but yeah, it was one on there for $12. So if anybody want to get one of these, you can go on eBay. Okay? And so what else you need is, and you don't have to just use this. If you can't get your hands on one of these, find some kind of container. Okay? And then, what else you're going to need is 2 rolls of quarters. How much is this? 10. See that says, 10, 20. That's $20. Now, wouldn't you agree that that's a small amount of money? Yes, it is. Whoa. I think I got the dropsies today. Oh, been a little clumsy. Yeah, so anyway, that's a small amount of money. So when you get paid, however you get paid, and when you go to the bank, you can get a $20 bill, 2 10s, 4 5s, whatever, and give to the teller and say, may I have 2 rolls of quarters? Now, if you want, you can do more than 2 rolls of quarters, but we're doing 2 rolls of quarters every week. If you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks. If you can't do it every 2 weeks, do it every month, but do something. I feel like if you get it started, it will help you to get in the habit. You know how some things we do out of habit, and it should be we should have a habit of putting money away for a mercy fund. You know, you don't want to be in this situation when a mercy comes. No, you don't. And we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover a mercy up to $1,000. Yeah. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. So if your living expenses is $1,000 for the month, you want to save 3 to 6 months. So that would be either $3,000 or $6,000. That way, if something like this happens, this up here, you'll have money to tap into, and you can still, pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance. You can buy food, for that period of time until your situation changes. Yeah. Now, you also want to do an emergency fund, so you won't have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Okay, we want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And did you know that this here is this? Yes, we want to stay out of this. Yes, we do. And if you can, do whatever you can to pay off this and this. It will really help to not have this. Oh my goodness. I can't tell you what it feels like not having this. And this too. Yeah. So you will do whatever you can to come out of that. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation. But if it is, do whatever you can to increase it. Okay? You can become an entrepreneur, start a business, have some side hustles, but do whatever you can to increase it. You want to have multiple streams of income, more than one, because if something happens to one, you'll still have some money to tap into, and that's what you want to do. Okay, and this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation and this is your situation, because like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. Okay, now do whatever you can to turn your situation around. You don't want to be in this, okay, when any mercy comes, okay? Now, we are going to take the time and read our affirmations that we're doing. We're speaking affirmations where we're speaking things that we want to happen into existence. All we have to do is speak it. Now, you can't just say it one time. You have to keep speaking it over and over until it happens. The Bible teaches us that death and life is in the power of our tongue. We can use our tongue to speak life into a situation, just like we can use our tongue to speak death. We don't want to do that. And we don't want to have no stinking thinking. We're going to have positive thinking. We're going to speak this. We're going to believe, receive, and we're going to expect these things to happen. And that's what you have to do to change the situation. You'll be surprised. I mean, I could keep you here all day telling you about things that I spoke into existence. Oh my goodness. And sometimes you could just think it. Have you ever said, I like to have one of those? It just came to your mind and it happened. Or I like to do this, or I like to do that, and it just came to your mind and it happened. Yeah. Yes, you can just do it. Do that also. You want to visualize it. Start seeing yourself doing whatever you want to do. Start seeing your bank account with more money. Start seeing your, if you want to get another house, start seeing where you want to live, the neighborhood you want to live in. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. If you can see that house in your mind, you can hold them keys in your hand. If you can see that money in your bank account, you can hold that money in your hand. If you can see that car you want, you can hold them car keys in your hand. Whatever. Look, the sky is the limit of what we can have. All things are possible. All things. There's nothing, if you want to do, you can't do. Okay? You can turn your situation around. You need a better job. You can get a better job. If you want to make more money, you can do it. Now, it's going to take some work because faith without works is dead. But still, just get it in your mind and start believing it, receiving it, expecting it, and start seeing it. And act like it happened before it happened. Like the house that I live in, before I got it, I started buying the furniture for it that I wanted. Yeah, I already knew what the floor plan was going to be, so I was able to go out and purchase furniture before. And I remember I was sharing it with one of my supervisors that I was buying furniture for the house, for the next house. And she said something like, "You kill me. Tell me you buying furniture for the next house." And then next thing I looked up, I was telling her, yeah, got the next house. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, act like it happened even before. Get excited about it before it happens, okay? Okay, we're going to go ahead and speak our affirmations. Okay, now, number 2, I kind of changed it a little bit. Number 1 and number 2, I kind of changed them a little bit, okay? So write these down and say these every day, all day. And like I said, I put a timer on my phone to remind me to say them, okay? So the first one is, I decree and I declare, money now cometh to me, it chases me down, okay? Money now coming to me, it chases me down. And number 2, I changed it to, I decree and I declare that I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare that I'm prosperous. Send prosperity now. Number 3, I am debt-free and I owe no man nothing. Number 4, I have more than enough money. Number 5, my checking account balance is, and write down how much you want your checking account balance to be. Number 6, all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. Number 7, I don't live in lack or want. Number 8, I am now financially free. And number 9, I am a money magnet. Okay? Yeah. So get excited. Believe, receive, and expect it. Okay? And like I said, do something like this. You know, this is my timer. I wake up at 3 a.m. and then I have it set for 3 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 a.m., not 1 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. These are times that I drink my water. This is my water bottle that I drink my water, and it has those times on there, okay? This is a bottle I got off of Amazon, and I drink this every day. Okay? All right. So, we haven't put our money in our bag yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and count our money and see how much we have saved. Those of you who are following me with this particular savings challenge. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. $80, wow. And then 90, 100. Wow, $100. Now this is a savings challenge that's been completed already, and we're starting over. Okay, so let's go ahead and record. Okay, today, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Okay, so today is, we're going to say today is Thursday. Thursday, November 27th. And let me write in Wednesdays, no video. So because I'll be saying, what? Why didn't I record? I'll just put no video for that day. Okay? No me. Wait a minute. I didn't do one last week on the 20th. Look like I didn't, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so this is our money bag savings challenge. We added $20 and the total amount is, wait a minute, I did do one last week. I just didn't write it down because we had $80 in, oh, Wanda, get it together. Okay, I have to fill that in. Okay, so we added $20 and the total amount is $100 because last week it was $80. So the week before that it was $60. So yeah, I did. Let me write that right quick. Money bag savings challenge. We added $20 and it was $80 last week. Okay, yeah, I did that. I just didn't write it in there. Okay, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing the savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.